IKEA Varmblixt. Is IKEA Varmblixt dimmable? The IKEA Varmblixt collection is a limited edition, design-forward series created in collaboration with Dutch designer Sabine Mark Ellis. Released as part of IKEA's focus on home decor and lighting, the Varmblixt collection merges function with art, featuring statement pieces that add warmth, light, and a modern aesthetic to living spaces. Here are the key highlights. Design philosophy. The Varmblixt collection emphasizes the emotional impact of light and its ability to transform the atmosphere in a room. The pieces are designed with clean, sculptural forms that often blur the line between lighting and art, making the items decorative even when turned off. Lighting. Sculptural lamps. The Varmblixt series includes distinctive lighting fixtures such as wall-mounted lamps, pendant lights, and table lamps. These lamps are designed to cast soft, ambient light, creating a cozy atmosphere. Circular LED wall lamp. One of the collection's signature pieces is a circular LED wall lamp with a frosted glass appearance, creating a soft glow and a unique, futuristic look. Ambient lighting. The collection prioritizes mood lighting, with warm tones that bring comfort to interiors, ideal for creating inviting spaces. Decorative objects. Bold forms. Beyond lighting, Varmblixt also includes decor pieces, such as sculptural glass objects and vases. These items are characterized by bold, minimalist forms with smooth, flowing shapes. Translucent materials. Many of the pieces use frosted glass, which adds a sense of lightness and transparency, playing with light and shadow in an artistic way. Color palette. The color scheme is dominated by warm tones, particularly amber and golden hues, which evoke a sense of warmth and coziness, perfect for adding depth to minimalist or modern interiors. Purposeful design. Mark Ellis is known for her attention to form and function, and the Varmblixt pieces reflect that ethos, serving as both practical lighting solutions and pieces of art that elevate the aesthetics of a room. Versatility. Whether it's used as a focal point in a living room or as subtle mood lighting in a bedroom, the Varmblixt collection is versatile, making it easy to integrate into different home styles. The Varmblixt collection stands out for its artistic approach to lighting and decor, offering IKEA customers a chance to introduce designer pieces into their homes at an accessible price.